on our way to Bath to buy a glamping pod. So I've got a second-hand glamping pod, 9 metres by 3.5 metres. So a timeline for this project is we've got the ideal project timeline, and then we've got the actual maybe what it's going to take. So ideally we want to build it quickly to get the project up and running by mid-summer this year. I think it's going to take about 2 months, and then it will be continuous work really for the next 2 years. So we're on our way to Bath. We're on our way to Bath because when we sat down to do the figures for the build, some glamping pods complete are coming in 25,000, 30,000 minimum. Well, we don't have £30,000, so we have to look at alternatives while trying to keep in mind that we've got to build it relatively quickly. So we're going to go second-hand glamping pod. So that's why we're going to Bath, because we found one. So we found essentially the skeleton of a glamping pod, 9 metres long, 3.5 metres wide, so it fits within the permitted development of like an outbuilding, a garden office. So it's perfect for us. It's within a distance that we can comfortably drive, and we wanted to go down there and get it. He was keen to get rid of it, so we were able to kind of negotiate the price a little bit cheaper, with the view that we would go and get it almost straight away.